Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You must have the account owner's consent. Do not proceed otherwise. Once you have permission, confirm the registered email or phone number and open the Roblox password reset page. Enter the username or email and request the reset link now. Make sure you're at the official Roblox site and that the owner can access the email inbox or phone. This is how Roblox verifies identity. Acting quickly prevents the link from expiring, and it avoids unnecessary back and forth. Once the owner receives the email, open it and click the secure reset link. Check spam and alternate folders if you don't see it. When the reset page loads, enter a strong, unique password, 12 characters or more, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure to save the new password in a trusted password manager for future access. After submitting, you'll often receive a confirmation email. Keep that for records and do not reuse old passwords for safety. After resetting, log in immediately and enable two-step verification to protect the account. You can use Email 2SV or an authenticator app. Then go to Account Settings and sign out of all other sessions, confirm recovery email/phone, and review recent activity. If the reset email never arrived and you legitimately control the account but lack access to its email, use Roblox's account recovery process and provide proof of ownership. If that fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.